All right, for today's taste testing, we're going to do all Raos with the Raos Arribiata and the Raos Penne Rigate. Right? It has the ridges. Let's bring this bag up close to the camera, take a look at this penne, and then we'll take a closer look at this jar of pasta sauce. Now, I've really liked the Raos Arribiata. It's been my favorite. However, since I've been trying all these other sauces, I'm curious if I still like it as much as I used to now. We're going to find that out today. So Raos has their own, that they call homemade penne rigata. And it's got nutrition. It's 12 to 14 minutes al dente, so we'll go 12 minutes on it. And it is big pasta. I prefer smaller bites, and this is only going to swell up and get bigger when we cook it, but I got to do it for the channel. And then for the sauce, like I said, this has been my favorite. But lately, with all these new ones I've been trying, to go back to this now, I wonder, am I still going to like it as much as I used to? Will it still be my favorite? It says it's a product of Italy right on it, if that means anything. And then we've got our nutrition facts here. And I think the ingredients, where are the ingredients? The other side? Yeah. Italian, where's my finger? Everything's backwards on my camera. All right, Italian, whole peeled tomatoes, olive oil, onions, salt, garlic, basil, crushed red pepper, black pepper, and oregano. Those are all pure ingredients, and certainly explains why I liked it. And we give it a good shake, and you can see the pasta sauce has little bits of the seasoning, all those ingredients, you can see them, many of them right in there. All right, so let's get to cooking, and we'll see if this pasta sauce is as good as I remember. And we're going to try for the first time Raos Penne Rigate. Here we go. Ooh, that pasta sauce looks good. I feel like I'm cheating though, because I know I like this pasta sauce. But this penne, oh, it's taken a while to cook. And I accidentally made about half of the bag, and it's probably enough for 2 people here. We'll let that go at the 12 minutes. And here it is, all done, ready to eat. Now, time for the taste test. Again, I haven't had the pasta before, but I have had the sauce. If I said that enough times? All right, here we go. Raos Penne Rigate with Renee's Raos Penne Rigate along with Raos Arribiata. See how it is. Like an old familiar friend. Pasta's excellent. The pasta sauce, now that I've had the others, I realize just how sweet the Raos is. And because I didn't know any better from not trying other things, this was the best I knew of at the time. Now it's almost like candy. It's almost it is too sweet. So it's going to drop in the top 10. It's going to be down around the middle. Unfortunately, it's not number 1 anymore, since I've now learned of some new pasta sauces that are more aligned to my palate. This is good, don't get me wrong, but compared to the others that I like, that are higher up on my list now that I've tried, this is a little too sweet for me now. All right, well, I'm still going to eat it, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.